The Aprilia RX 125 and SX 125 represent the latest evolution in Aprilia's entry-level lineup, blending fresh design updates with advanced technology. The Aprilia SX 125 is the brand's Supermoto interpretation, built for fun on the street and ready for action on the track. It features 17-inch spoked wheels fitted with wide sport tires. On the other hand, the RX 125 is engineered for adventure beyond the asphalt. Designed for off-road enthusiasts, it features large spoked wheels, 21 inches at the front and 18 inches at the rear, paired with knobby tires that provide maximum grip and control across challenging terrain. Both models are powered by a responsive 124.2cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine with a 4-valve configuration. This power plant has been refined to meet the stringent Euro 5+ emission standards, without sacrificing output. Riders can expect a healthy 15 horsepower at 10,500 RPM and 11.5 Nm of torque at 8,500 RPM. Technology and safety also see significant upgrades. Both the SX and RX come equipped with full LED lighting and a modern color digital instrument cluster, providing essential riding information at a glance. Aprilia continues to lead in safety innovation in this segment, featuring single-channel Bosch ABS with anti-rollover mode. The SX 125 features a high-performance braking setup, with a large 300mm front disc and twin-piston floating caliper, backed by a 220mm rear disc. The RX 125, meanwhile, opts for racing-inspired wave discs, 260mm up front and 220mm at the rear, for enhanced heat dissipation and braking power in rugged conditions. Both bikes benefit from premium suspension components. A 41mm upside-down front fork offers an impressive 240mm of wheel travel, while the rear monoshock with progressive linkage and long swing arm provides 210mm of travel, optimizing both comfort and control over various surfaces. Structurally, the two bikes are built around a durable steel dual-beam frame that balances strength and agility. The RX 125's off-road nature is further enhanced by its black anodized rims and taller ride height, with a seat height of 905mm. The SX 125, with its lower 880mm seat and wider tires, offers a more accessible and confident street riding experience. Despite their distinct purposes, both bikes share the same wet weight of 136 kilograms, keeping them nimble and manageable for riders of all experience levels. With these updates, Aprilia continues to set the standard in the 125cc category, offering youthful, high-performance motorcycles that blend technology, style, and purpose-driven design.